Hello, parents. This is Mr. Washington. So I just wanted to take a brief moment and show you guys what we did in class today so that you could better assist your child with their homework tonight. So what I have up here is tonight's homework. For math, the students are asked to do part 1 and part 2 only. And so I kind of wanted to give you guys a quick idea on how to do this. So, as the paper says on the top, each of the Boy Scouts has 5 feet of wood. For a project, they use a certain amount of wood. How much wood does each person have left? So, what I've taught the kids to do is to do this using models. It is subtraction. So, each child was given 5 feet of wood. So I'm going to do the first one with you or for you so you can see what we're doing, and then you just follow the same steps that I do for this one for the rest of them. So this will kind of help you get what we're doing so that you can help your child with their homework tonight. So looking at the first child, Blake, it says that he used 2 1/3 feet of wood. Okay, so with that being said, and I've asked the kids to put their subtraction problem on the side so that I'll know what they did as far as subtraction is concerned. So let's look at this. So each child, again, started out with 5 feet. So we're going to put on the side for Blake that we are subtracting from 5. So 5 minus, and he used 2 1/3 feet. So our equation is going to be 5 minus 2 1/3. So for each of these, you would have your student tell me what they subtracted from the 5, okay? And then we do our work, and then we put our answer here. Now, I've told the students that they can do their work on the back, but if they need more paper, to feel free to use extra paper if they need to. So I'm going to do my math with the models on this piece of notebook paper. So I have Blake as my first one. So I'm going to put his name here so I know which one I'm working on. And we're doing 5 minus 2 1/3. Okay? So I would start this off by drawing a model to show the 5 feet. So each rectangle that I draw here represents 5 feet, or represents a foot. So each rectangle, 1 feet, or 1 foot, 2 feet, 3 feet, 4 feet, and 5 feet. So I now have 5 feet. I always tell the students with doing fractions that we always shade in how much we have. So I'm going to shade in green for each foot of wood that the child has. All right, so we are subtracting 2 1/3. So I have 2 holes. So with that being said, I'm going to mark out or X out 2 holes. 1 hole, 2 holes. So we took away 2 whole rectangles. Now we also did 1/3. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick one of my remaining rectangles, and I'm going to pick the one right here, and I'm going to break it off into thirds because I have 1/3 here. So I'm going to put it in thirds. Now I have this rectangle divided into 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to take 1/3 away. And the last thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to look at what is left. So when I count what I have left that is not crossed out, that will be my answer. So I see that I have 2 holes, 1, 2. And then this one, I have 2/3 left. I had 3/3, took 1 away, and I have 2/3 left. So 2 2/3. That's how much wood Blake had left. And I would just simply take this and record that he had 2 2/3 feet left. Make sure that if your child decides to do this on another piece of paper like I did here, that they turn in this along with this. So tonight they're going to do the rest of this, the rest of the chart. Then they're going to answer the 2 questions under part 2. They should have notes in their math journal about what to do here. Of course, you know, we're finding out how much wood Blake, DeAndre, and Hector used. We need to add up what they used together. And then how much wood did Chris and Tyrone use? We add what they used together. And that's adding mixed numbers, which we have covered that as well. So I hope this is helpful to you guys. Please, please, please leave a comment letting me know that this was helpful. And request any more specific videos that you would like me to create and put on to allow you to help assist your child with the math in class. Thanks so much.